Hello, welcome to Data Leaps. My name is Li Ping, I'm a solution architect. Today I'm starting a new YouTube series called The Diary of the Solution Architect. The idea is to put some of the job hunting tips, interview tips, career progression tips, as well as what life is like as a solution architect. And this video is about how to stand out as a candidate when you're looking for a job. This is meant to be for solution architect, but you can learn from it as a data engineers, data scientist, and a data analyst as well. The first thing you want to do is to do a really good job at your current position. So there are 3 reasons you want to do a really good job. 1, you don't know who's watching. People in higher up leadership positions, they could go for a different job and they can bring you with them. I had a case before where an internal customer of mine went to a different company, became a CTO. He was really familiar with the quality of work I did, and he brought me over as head of data in the company he went to. The second thing is a lot of the companies run back channels. Say you're currently working for company A and you are interviewing for company B. Now, a former co-worker of yours could already gone to company B, and he or she might get asked on how you are as a solution architect or data engineer or data scientist. So you want to do a really good job, and then they will give good recommendations about you. Third reason is you want to do a good job, so you increase your employability by learning and expanding your skill set. We'll talk about skill building in a different video, but the idea is you don't learn from a job or you don't expand your skill set properly unless you are invested in what you're doing and do a really good job. The second tip is to have a good portfolio. Start with GitHub. What you want to do is to have a decent GitHub portfolio. And you can have your GitHub link on your CV, and people might not check it out, but if they do, you want to make sure it's of good quality. And LinkedIn as well. So you want to make sure your LinkedIn is updated. It doesn't have any typos. Some friends of mine ask me, oh, I'm looking for a job. Should I start blogging or YouTubing and start creating some content? The truth is, if you're looking for a job, that's already a full-time job by itself. So what you don't want to do is to start content creation while you're looking for a job. The reason being, it's really time-consuming, and also content creation is a longer process, and it's about accumulation of good content. You don't want to start content creation while you are looking for a job. The next tip is to do some certifications if you can. Not every company will require certifications, but doing certification does 2 things. One is it shows the company that you're interested in their technology. 2 is to show that you have a baseline understanding of the technology. As far as what certification you want to look for, it typically depends on what your dream company is and what the job spec looks like for your dream role. The next tip is to tailor your CV. Basically, you want to highlight the different aspects to your capability based on the job that you're going for. If I were to apply for a solution architect job versus if I were to apply for a head of data job, I would have highlighted different capabilities in my CV to showcase my suitability for that particular job. The next is network. What you want to do is to go to meetups, go to conferences, and meet people and ask questions. And ask, how is a day in life look like? What do they like about the job? What do they not like about the job? What skill level is needed to apply for the job? You can ask for a referral. Not everybody will do it. I personally only do referral for people who I've worked with or know of personally, and I know that they will add a lot of value to the company, but there are a certain percentage of people out there that would refer you just because most of the companies might run a referral scheme. What you really want to aim for is high quality referrals. For instance, when I refer someone that I know of, I typically write a nice paragraph about what they're really good at and how they would add value to the company that I'm working for. If you're doing cold referrals, they might not do that for you. That's a short video on some thoughts I have regarding standing out as a candidate during the job search process. In the next video, we're going to cover how to interview. Thank you for watching Data Leaps. If you think the content is useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.